Got the fuel pump off.
It's right there.
We got our new fuel pump. There's the old fuel pump. I gotta replace the gaskets. I'm currently scraping this old gasket off. All right, not perfect, but I just scraped all that gasket off with a knife. I think it'll be fine. Okay, got the first two gaskets on. So I gotta scrape that gasket off, put a new one on. Kind of working on it. Okay, so I got my vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum up that debris where I scraped off the gasket. Probably have to use a different screwdriver to get these tighter on the bottom. Gonna reconnect the gas line right there. Fuel pump repair on the Nissan 8. ns8b is the motor model. Thanks for watching.